So like a lot of people out there, I am a chocoholic. And this is a brand that I first came across in one of my local supermarkets here in Japan. And I have kept coming back to it over the years because it's pretty tasty and not that overpriced. A lot of chocolate here is a little pricey. And this one I like because it's sustainably sourced cocoa in here. And it tells you, although maybe some of you might not want to know this, let me zoom in. It tells you one serving size, only 6 pieces, has 121 calories. Ooh, and it's made from Alpine milk. And one thing you do want to be aware of, for some of you out there with allergies and whatnot, is that indeed it's got cow's milk, soya, hazelnut, and may contain wheat or gluten and other nuts. So not for everybody. That's a problem we all have, but I like the transparency of this. Company is Mondelez and Milka.com. Yeah, it's German. So yeah, the Germans are quite famous for their chocolate. So that's makes total sense. So let's give this a taste. I'm familiar with it, obviously, but I will refresh my taste buds for you live on camera. If I can get this open without destroying it, because I don't want to eat it all at once. Oh, that was a nice open. Okay. Yes, it's sticking to my teeth and the roof of my mouth. That means to me, excuse me, that it is indeed a very high cocoa butter, very high content of that peanut buttery texture that I associate so well with chocolate. I love how the sweetness sinks to the back of your mouth and the corners behind your teeth, and it takes a while to get it all out of your mouth, and you can just enjoy the sugar there. Fantastic. Is it high-level Belgium-level chocolate? Not quite. But is it Cadbury-esque? Yes. Is it good value? Absolutely. Do I recommend? Yes, indeed.